Hey everyone! In today's episode, we're going to learn how to install and use Relink Bitmaps. This is one of the must-have free plugins for your architectural visualizations projects. As the name suggests, it will allow us to quickly relink any missing bitmaps for our projects. This is especially useful when we are adding multiple assets from different paths. The first thing we need to do is download the script from Colin Center website. Click the Relink Bitmap button and under the direct download section, download the latest version of the script. This is going to download a matscript zip package. The installation is really simple. You just need to drag and drop the file to your 3ds Max screen. For this script, there are no additional install settings. After you have installed the script, we need to add it to one of our toolbars. Right-click on an empty area and select Customize. Then, under Categories, select Colin Scripts. Drag and drop this icon to one of your toolbars. Don't forget to save the new user interface. In this scene, we can see that the bed has a problem with the texture path. We can press Shift-T to access our asset tracking. On the asset tracking screen, we can see that the status of each texture is unknown and file missing. Going back to the Relink Bitmap screen, we're going to press the refresh button on the right side to be able to see the missing textures. On the left side, we have the options to find the missing assets. The first section is Save Paths. Here, you're able to add a quick link to your most used or favorite path. Then, the next section is the search directory. We're going to select the folder we want to use for the relink in this section. This is really useful if you don't have any saved paths. What I recommend, and this is what I do, is to select the main folder and then enable the search subfolder option. This will allow Relink Bitmaps to look for the textures on any of the subfolders of the path we selected. This option is a bit slower, but we don't need to select a specific folder for our search. For all other options, the only one that I can recommend is low memory huge scene if at any point you're running out of RAM. On this section, we also have the Configure button. This will allow us to select the default options of the script when we open it. Once you have selected your path and options, we need to press the Relink button. After a few seconds or minutes, depending on the size of your scene, we're going to see that we have no missing files on the right side of the script. And if we refresh our asset tracking, all assets will have the correct path. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section below, and thank you for watching!